Our body has a filter that makes our blood and our body clean. It removes harmful substances and toxins from our body and blood. Do you know which organ I'm talking about? Well, it's the liver. The liver is one of the hardest working organs in our body, so it's a vital organ to us. It is located at the upper right part of our abdomen and above the stomach and our right kidney. The liver is important because it performs essential functions for your body that keep your body healthy and balanced. So as you know, it removes harmful substances from our body and blood. It also aids in digestion by producing bile. It also stores energy in the form of glycogen, processes nutrients from food, and it also regulates your cholesterol levels. So, in short, it's a powerhouse organ that maintains your overall well-being, and it keeps your body running smoothly. So what are biles? Biles are yellow-green fluid that are produced by the liver. They are stored in the gallbladder, and their primary role is to aid in digestion by the absorption of fats in the small intestine. They are made up of bile acids, which are salts. Then is the bilirubin. Bilirubin is a waste product of the red blood cells. Now let's move on to some facts. So did you know that the liver can regenerate itself? Wow, even after losing about 70% of its tissue, it can still regenerate itself. That makes it unique among the human organs. Next, did you also know that it serves about 500 different functions, including detoxification, digestion, and metabolism? And it's also the largest internal organ. So the largest is our skin, and the largest internal one is the liver. It weighs about 3 pounds in adults. Next, blood filtration. So at any given time, at midnight, at noon, at any given time, it holds about 10% of the body's blood. And it filters out the blood, 1.5 liters of blood. So that's the amount it filters out in a minute, per minute. Like each and every minute, it filters out 1.5 liters of blood. Did you know that the liver has so many vitamins in it, such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and also vitamin B12 is there as well. And there's important minerals such as iron and copper. Glucose factory. The liver is a glucose factory because it produces glucose from scratch. And there's no substitute for the liver, making it a unique organ, so take care of it. Now let's focus on how to keep our liver healthy. So to keep our liver healthy, you can have a balanced diet. Focus on the foods which are rich in vitamins and nutrients, such as vegetables, fruits, lean protein, and whole grains. And avoid processed food and fatty food, as they can strain the liver. Next, limit alcohol intake, as excessive alcohol drinking can lead to the liver diseases, such as fatty liver and stuff like that. So you should always stick to moderate drinking or quit alcohol altogether to help your liver. Exercise regularly. At least aim for about 30 minutes of exercise daily. That can help you to grow a healthy liver. Next, be cautious with medications. Always use over-the-counter medications or prescribed medications, because some medications can harm the liver. And lastly, minimize your exposure to harmful chemicals and toxins, such as the cleaning products and pesticides. Work in well-ventilated areas and use proper protection. So, if you want to keep your liver healthy, follow these steps and take care of your liver, because it'll take care of you. If you like this video, please smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. And share with your family and friends. Thank you, my friends.